The thing with video editing is that it's one of the hardest jobs you can ask to a computer. It will make it work as hard as it can, or as fast as your weakest component. And if we go back to a couple years ago, that device was often the hard drive. Those drives were very slow. They are made of layers of disk with a moving needle in between that is there to engrave or read the data. They are still useful today for archives because they are cheap and can store a lot of data. Fortunately, today we see very few computers with that kind of technology inside. But still, some computers come with very bad quality SSD and sometimes even slower than those good old hard drive. SSD stand for solid state drive. In other words, there is no moving part inside, which make them usually more faster and more reliable. When you do video editing, you need a very good SSD. Not only you need one that can handle a lot of data, but you need one that can work fast. The fastest you can get is the one that will be inside your computer, because they will be connected directly to your motherboard. But I don't like to edit directly on my computer SSD for two reasons. The first one is that SSDs have a limited write cycle. Maybe I should not worry about that because you shouldn't see a difference before many thousand cycles. If you change your computer every time there is a newer model, you probably don't need to care about this. But when I get a new computer, I max out few components which make it very expensive, and I try to keep it for around 10 years. Yes, seriously. And because I edit over 1,000 videos every year, yes, I do abuse my disk. So for this reason, I like to get an external one so I can replace it if I ever need a bigger one, or just to replace it because it became defective. That might be something easy to do if you got a tower, but it's another story when you got an iMac. Yeah, I know. Shame on me. The second reason is that you can take that external disk and take it to another computer to continue your project. So basically, on my computer SSD, the only thing there is my softwares. The rest is always on my external disk that is also backup on Dropbox in real time. If my desktop crash, I just need to connect this drive to my laptop and I can keep working. That also let my computer work faster as its internal hard drive never get overloaded. Also, in the case of a Mac, it's way cheaper to get storage externally rather than internally. I still upgrade my internal storage, but that's my problem. So the drives that I use are the Glyph Atom. I use them since over 5 years now and I'm fully satisfied. They have couples of models that go from few $100s to few thousands. If you just want to edit HD footage, you don't need that much speed. But if you want to edit 4K video, I would not go under 500 megabytes per second, which is covered by the smaller version of this one, which go up to 560 megabytes per second. Then you got the RAID model, which consists of two SSDs in the same package, which is actually this one, and this one can go up to 950 megabytes per second and can store up to 4 terabytes of data compared to 2 terabytes with the smaller one. I have one of the smaller one, but I think I lost it. And they also released newer model that I did not personally test because I'm very satisfied with those one. But those newer model are way faster and I'm very confident that they are great because Glyph care to make great quality product. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just enjoy those products and I like to share it with you. If you use my link in the description, however, I will do a commission. So if you use it, thank you. The new model can go up to 8 terabytes with a blazing speed of 2800 megabytes per second. Yes, this is very fast. So I hope this was helpful. Like I said, if you want one of those drives, you can check my link in the description. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment. See ya!